Welcome to Farmyard Chronicles. Today we will visit Jatra Dhatta Farm, a fine example of efficient and sustainable free-range poultry farming in Nandurbar, Maharashtra. Jatra Dhatta, a passionate farmer, started his journey with chicken farming 5 years ago. Beginning with a small-scale operation, he continuously learned and gained experience to develop his free-range chicken farm into what it is today. Like many starting out, Jatra faced numerous challenges, from constructing the coop, choosing the right breed, to preventing diseases. Everything was a learning curve. But with determination and perseverance, he overcame them all. Jatra's secret to success lies in his integrated approach of free-range chicken farming and agriculture. He utilizes his 5 acres of land to cultivate a variety of vegetables like onions, water spinach, and spinach. This provides fresh, nutritious food for the chickens while generating additional income. Free-range farming offers numerous benefits. The chickens get ample exercise, consume natural food, and develop strong immunity, leading to fewer diseases. The chicken meat is flavorful, firm, and favored by consumers. The vegetable garden also thrives due to the organic fertilizer from the chickens. After 5 months of dedicated care, Jatra's chickens are ready for harvest. He sells them at a price of 300 to 500 rupees per chicken, a premium over commercially raised chickens. This free-range farming model provides him with a steady income, contributing to a better life for his family. From Jatra's success story, we learn valuable lessons. Be persistent, eager to learn, and most importantly, choose a farming model that suits your individual circumstances. We wish you all the best.